going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wechi. In this channel I mostly talk about Amazon, how to make money online, how to improve your income. In today's video I'm gonna talk about Amazon. I know you guys been waiting for this video on how to start wholesale on Amazon, how to find suppliers to buy your product and wholesale and resell them on Amazon. So that's what we're gonna talk about today. But before we get into this video, I want to say a big thank you to all of you guys who've been subscribing to my channel, even though I wasn't uploading any video this month. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions. So let's get right into this video. So in order to start Amazon wholesale, in order to have to find suppliers, first thing first you need to do is to apply for a reseller permit. I'm not saying in all cases you're gonna need a reseller permit to buy from those suppliers, but most suppliers request a reseller permit, and there is reason why it's good for you. You're not paying taxes on those products because you have a reseller product. Basically the customer gonna pay taxes on those products, so you don't have to pay taxes on those products, and you're gonna end up paying taxes at the end of the year. That's two taxes. The best thing, first you apply for a reseller permit so you can have access to those suppliers, and second, so you don't have to pay taxes on those products. First thing, when you apply for reseller permit, they're gonna start sending you emails, mails from your home address and telling you to come buy from them, and whatever they'll do like a certain advertising and how to find them the moment you have your reseller permit. Say a police give you a car ticket, and then the moment you get the car ticket, the next week after that you start getting advertising in your box mail about get lawyer, how to get rid of it. That's the same thing with the reseller permit. This can happen in your case. I'm in Florida. I don't know the specific area you guys in. That's the first thing you need to do, is to get your reseller permit. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I'm gonna Google it for Florida, and then I'm gonna put it right here for you guys. And if you guys need a video on how to apply for it, then I'll do another video for you guys on how to apply for a reseller permit. Second thing, now how to find a supplier. If the supplier doesn't reach out to you, or the supplier will reach out to you is not the supplier you're looking for, the second thing you need to do, and that's the best way to find suppliers. Let's say you want to buy this maple syrup to resell on Amazon. The best way to find supplier for this is to read the label. There is a reason why they put those information here. I know some of you guys don't pay attention to that. So now you can see it says the ingredient on this product and distributed by Costco Wholesale Corporation. So now you know this product is, the distributor is Costco. The best way to find out approved suppliers, because before I go and tell you guys why is the best way to do it, there is a lot of people selling fake product on Amazon. Let me tell you, fake product, they'll have the same product but a different barcode. A lot of sellers are getting deactivated for that. That's another reason why you should find a good supplier, an approved supplier by Amazon or in the state. If you need an invoice, so you can get your invoice so your account doesn't get suspended. So let's say you went to buy a hand soap and from a supplier, then make sure to the barcode, okay? Pay attention. They'll use a different barcode with the same name of the product. That's a lot of things going on. So Amazon find it out. Amazon gonna find it out. They're gonna track it out. Even if you find it cheaper, that's not the best way to do it. Don't put your Amazon account in jeopardize just because you want to make a little bit of money and because you find it cheaper, because those products are coming from China and they will tell you it's the same product. You'll see the same name, the same label, and then you just grab it and you'll see, oh, that's a good deal. But at the end of the day, that's not the real product. Each product you buying in the state, they'll put a number on it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna call this number, and then you're gonna tell them, hello, I'm a reseller, I'm currently selling on Amazon, or you have your own business, and even though it's not only for Amazon, let's say you have your own retail shop and you want to resell this product, you go directly to them and then you'll ask them question. You say, oh, I want to buy this product in bulk, where can I find a confirmed supplier to buy this product? Then they'll ask you for the product UPC number, and then you'll give them the product UPC number you're looking for. Each product with different variation has a different UPC number, so make sure you tell them the UPC of the exact product you want. Once you give it to them, then they'll tell you, oh, in your area there's three suppliers, there is 10 suppliers, and they will give you the name, their address, and everything. Now, once you get all those information, so you're gonna go ahead with the supplier and call them. Or if it's not far from you, even drive to them and then tell them, oh, I'm a reseller, whatever. Some of them, they'll require like a certain amount for you to buy. Let's say some of them will be like, oh, and we start by 1,000 units. So you need to buy 1,000 units. Some of them, they don't have like a minimum order. Some of them will tell you, oh, our minimum order is 3,000 or a pallet. So always go find another supplier. If you find a supplier that tells you have to buy 10 pallets and you know you cannot afford it, trust me, you're gonna find another supplier that's gonna work with you. So someone tell you no, it's because you asking the wrong person. So if a supplier said no because they want you to buy 10,000 of pallet and you cannot afford it, find another supplier. That was the wrong supplier. That's what I wanna tell you guys. So once you find your supplier, they'll tell you, oh, our minimum product is 1,000, and then if you can afford it, you go ahead and you purchase 1,000 units, and they'll give you the price, the wholesale price, and you're gonna go ahead and buy it at the wholesale price. Now you have the perfect supplier, and then you're gonna sell this product. You're gonna basically just list this product. So what I like to do is doing bulk order on Amazon, so I sell faster and I make more money. A lot of people think when you sell your product higher, that's when you make more money, but actually it's not. I sell in volume, so you make more money. So what I like to do, let's say I have this product, so I will list it on Amazon, so I will sell 3 of them as a pack, right? Like I will do like a bulk order, and I'll say like 3 of those products. If you buy it, let's say for each unit is like $10, right? But if you buy 3 of them together, you sell them like $35. The customer most likely, they're gonna buy the 3 so they can save $5. You end up selling more and make more money, and then the faster you sell, the more money you make. But let's say if you sell like you need like $40, so you're still gonna make money. Low sell, okay? But if you sell in volume, you make the money in volume. Wait, it's like when you see all those truck drivers, also all those trucks, right? And then you see they delivering those products, you can ask those drivers and say, oh, I wanna reach out, I wanna buy those products. Where those supplier, where you pick those products from? Then if you're nice to them, they will answer you. Alright guys, that's the 2 best ways to find wholesaler or distributor on your area to get the real product. You don't want to get the fake product with a different UPC until you start selling them on Amazon. Then your Amazon account get deactivated because it's gonna be a penalty, because they're gonna ask you for an invoice, they're gonna ask you for a barcode. Once you send them, they're gonna realize it's not the same product, it's like you cheating them or whatever. So they're gonna deactivate your seller account. Have a better way to find wholesaler or distributor on your area? Be sure to comment down below so you can help another Amazon seller. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on my next video.